At number 15 is tomato. It contains 13.7 milligrams out of 100 grams. Ranked 14 is lime. It has 29.1 milligrams out of 100 grams. Number 13 grapefruit. It provides 31.1 milligrams. Next up is green cabbage. It has 36.6 milligrams in 100 grams. Number 11 pineapple. It contains 47.8 milligrams in 100 grams. Number 10 is lemon. It provides 53 milligrams. At number 9 is orange. It contains 53.2 milligrams. Number 8 strawberry. Strawberry contains 58.8 milligram out of 100 grams. At number 7 cayenne chili. They contain 76.4 milligrams. Number 6 broccoli. It has 89.2 milligrams. Number 5 kiwi. It carries 92.7 milligrams. At number 4 is red bell pepper. They contains 127.7 milligrams in 100 grams. Number 3 parsley leaves. They have 133 milligrams in 100 grams. And number 2 yellow bell pepper. They are a great source containing 183.5 milligrams in 100 grams. At number 1 position is black currants. Taking first place, it contain around 200 milligrams in 100 grams.